What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to show you the progress of 2026. We are up $2,700 on the year. We had another 2 trades today. AVGO we made $140 on, and a second trade on AVGO for $503, tallying up to $643 today. This week we have been on a roll, but looking at the month's gains right here, $2,700. Let's get into the trades. AVGO, for a little context, if you've been following my channel on the WAP or on the YouTube channel, you will have seen that we were talking about this resistance level at $340. And when it broke, we were trading the level back to retest it. So you can see on these levels right here, we had support broken at $340, support right here at $340, support right here at $340, and then it sold off. So I'm going to show you where my entry was, where my exit was, and I left so much on the table, it was ridiculous. So we had this sell off at $340. We started pulling back all the way down to $330. This was a few days ago. Then on the 9th, let's go to the actual day, I was taking that buy around 7 a.m. for a retest up to $339. So what I was doing was I bought at 7 a.m. because that's when the market opened for Fidelity. We bought right here around $335 per share. And then we rode it up all the way to $339 per share. So it was a very nice trade. But the problem is I did not hold. And it was holding. If you look here at this pink line, this is VWAP. This is a 5-minute candle. And today I was trading the VWAP and the 9 and the 21 EMA indicated by these two. I'll put that video at the end so you can see my 9 and 21 EMA strategy for free, just for you on YouTube. All about transparency here. So we bought right here at 335. It was holding VWAP on the 5-minute candle, and I decided to hold even right here as it retested almost my entry because it was still holding the VWAP. And then it got above the 21 EMA and then started riding it up. And then what we did was we had this last green blast candle come up, and then we took profits right up in here around $339 per share. Little did I realize I could have held this all day and made much more, but we took our profits. We made, over $500, $600 today. We're up $2,700 on the year. That's what we need to focus on. So the first trade we made that $500 on, and then what we did is we bought this micro pullback at $340. Now the reason we bought that trade at above $340 is because there are clear support levels at $340. And when you saw this level break right here, let me highlight it for you on using the Fidelity circle right here. This $340 that broke, I bought this retest pullback, break above $340, retest, back up here, bought 100 shares, rode it back up another point, and then took profits. So I could have held a much longer position, but we still made gains. That's what matters. Now we're going to watch AVGO next week. What will it do when it retests $340 again after we have multiple points of support at $340 and it just reclaimed this level? It's going to be interesting next week. So stay tuned. I'm going to post another recap video for members on YouTube so they can get the exact levels that I am trading on stocks. Make sure you become a member on the YouTube and definitely check out the WAP to join the community to directly chat with me. Guys, if you like videos like this, please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and do me a favor, share the video. I appreciate it. It helps out the channel so much. Also, check out the membership tab where you'll be first to gain access to new videos that I'm making, whether it's stocks that I'm watching, ETFs that I'm reviewing. Be sure to check out the merch on Trading Simplified YouTube channel where you can get your own sweatshirt, your beanie, mug, stickers. There's so much on here. Be sure to check it out. I'll see you next time. Guys, make sure you buy that merch real quick because it is flying off the shelves. Equipment is running low. Make sure you place your orders.